Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a live wallpaper in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So the first thing you need to do is to just go and search your Microsoft Store, and once you open your Microsoft Store, here we need to search for a software which is called as Lively Wallpaper. Just click on this one. So I have already installed this software, but you have to install it first and then you will get to see the option for open. So let me open it. Once you open the software, you will get to see that many wallpapers are available in this website. So if you want to use any of this wallpaper, you can just do that. So let me just click on this first one. You just have to click on the wallpaper and then you will get to see the wallpaper is now applied on our screen. But in case if you are not satisfied with this wallpaper, you can upload or use your custom wallpaper. So for that we just need to click on this plus sign, add a wallpaper option we have to click on, and then you will get to see this kind of window. So for example, if you have any YouTube video available and that YouTube video you want to use as a wallpaper, so you just have to paste the link of that video here, then click on this little arrow, and from there you can use that YouTube video as your live wallpaper. But personally I will not suggest you to use this option because the quality of your wallpaper will get high or low according to your internet speed. So personally I use this option. Here we need to first download the wallpaper file. Once you download your wallpaper file, we just have to choose that from here. So I have already downloaded a file of my wallpaper, so I have to click on the wallpaper which I want to set. Once you do that, just hit on OK and wait for some time now, and boom, there you go, we have successfully added our custom wallpaper. But in case if you want to do any changes on this wallpaper, you can do that from here as well. For that we just have to click on these three dots of our wallpaper, then click on customize. Then here you will find many settings are available, you can just play with them. But the main thing is that if your wallpaper has any kind of music, you can just mute that from here. We have to tick this option and just hit on OK. This is that simple to set live wallpaper on your Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.